Different stages of a water cycle. Step-by-step process. Do you know what does a water cycle works? Here is a step-by-step process of the different stages of a water cycle. The water cycle is a hydrologic cycle known for the continuous movement of water from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere, and vice versa. Here are the different stages of a water cycle that follows. Stage 1, Evaporation and Transpiration. In this stage, the sun heats the water bodies, resulting in water evaporation into the atmosphere in the form of vapor. Stage 2, Condensation. In stage 2, the vapors rise high, and the cooler temperature turns them back to liquid. The collective wind and air currents move the moisture, leading to cloud formation. Stage 3, Precipitation. The cloud particles collide in this stage, becoming rain-bearing clouds and falling onto the Earth's surface. The form of precipitation includes rain, hail, snow, or sleet, etc. Stage 4, Runoff and Infiltration. The final stage marks the running off of precipitated form into work bodies or getting absorbed into the soil. Thank you for watching. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com